Okay folks, I see where I'm at on this 2.5 ton heat pump. The issue with it right now, I have to turn my camera on, is not spinning. Low voltage is hooked up. Fan's not spinning, compressor's not on. The low voltage is contact is pulled in. We're going to assume that capacitor right there is bad. Charge is bad, I think it's 30.5. Let me get my bolt cutters. The bolts on there. And I need the capacitor. Try to fix that thing right there. So this is Cool G's Air coming one more again. www.coolgsair.com. I should be done here in a few minutes. If it's just a capacitor, let y'all know in a minute. Peace, y'all. Okay, for the sake of time and the dead battery, that piece right there is called a capacitor. Just change it out. That's a 30.5. Only have a qualified tech work on these things right here. Okay, they're very dangerous. You can see, change the capacitor on the unit. Right here. This is not a very expensive part, but guess what? If it's not working, the AC is not going to work. You change it out. The unit's running. Try to put a gauge on it, make sure the freon level is okay. You know, once that is done deal. I'm over here off MLK, and you got padlocks and the thing, disconnect, bolt cutters, put the padlocks off, and that's it folks. www.coolgsair.com once again. Peace.